The Floyd County Health Department has been closely monitoring a spread of whooping cough throughout the county, most recently posting a letter online giving recent numbers for cases, which currently rest at 14 from various areas of the county.
We are seeing, you can see how many we've had in the last few days. So that's why I've made it, put it out there so folks will be aware, oh gosh, okay, I've got a cough and I've gotten this letter. I might need to let my doctor know.
Ella said Tuesday it's become more important to watch for signs.
So ideally, I don't post every time we have an isolated event. The cases that we're seeing now have the potential to have a little bit more of a widespread. And it's very important because the more that the public is aware, we could reduce outbreaks and it would be less severe.
Ahoy, treasure hunters! The treasure bin is now open. Thousands of new items every day. Fridays and Saturdays are just $8 an item. Dropping all week long until Wednesday when everything's just $1. We're on Town Mountain Road next to Mona's. The Treasure Bin, where every day is a treasure hunt. Find us on Facebook or stop by today.
Ella said the first couple weeks is the key period to pay most attention. One reason she's posting a letter online detailing the status of the spread.
The first 2 weeks you are more contagious. That's why that we have put this letter out to folks so that they can become aware, so that we can mitigate the spread as quickly as we can. Outbreaks can typically last in a community for several weeks to a month, but if we act early treatment, that's the main thing. That's why I have that out, so that folks know to tell their providers so that they can get the treatment that they need to stop being so infectious.
What might be the first line of defense? Ella said vaccinations are the best step.
Vaccination is the best prevention. I did put on the letter that we have had cases unvaccinated, partially vaccinated, or fully vaccinated. You can get pertussis. It's less common if you're vaccinated, but it's usually those that are in close contact, like if it was a family member or prolonged contact, but the symptoms are more mild and don't last as long.
With a season rife with respiratory illnesses, being alert to your quality of breathing is a must.
We're in the season for respiratory illness. So if you feel like you've not been exposed, you could just have a cold. Just be mindful of what's going on right now. And if you've received letters, then you need to be more conscious if you do get a cough.
Those concerned are encouraged to call the Floyd County Health Department at 1-606-886-2788. Reporting for Mountaintop News, I'm Sheldon Compton.